How embarrassing. Will Smith had his film crew cracking up as he passed wind during a relaxing workout with the Miami Dolphins. Watch the hilarious accident now. Will Smith certainly knows how to make himself the center of attention. The 53-year-old actor had all eyes on him after he accidentally broke wind during a recent workout with the Miami Dolphins. Taking to his Instagram on December 6, Will shared the hilarious incident with his adoring, and unwitting, 57 million fans. Training with the Miami Dolphins was going great until that morning coffee snuck up on me. Wait for it, the star wrote alongside the video. In the clip, Will is on the ground stretching out his arm on a muscle roller when the embarrassing moment occurs. "Sorry about this, excuse me," Will said, as he looks around to see if the production crew caught wind of the indiscretion. It was obvious everyone in the room had heard what went down, as they all started cracking up. The laughter only got louder when the Oscar nominee asked, "You guys have showers in here?" Proving he has quite the funny bone, Will captioned the clip, "They said to relax all my muscles." Fans were quick to join in on the fun, as one commented, "It happens, but something extra funny about it when it's Will Smith." Another wrote, "Lol, I don't know why people passing gas makes you laugh, but I needed that laugh." Will wasn't done bringing the cheer to his fans, however, as he also added a wind emoji behind his rear to a screenshot of the incident. Filming the workout is no doubt a part of Will's recent vow to get healthier, as he admitted back in May 2021 that he was in the worst shape of his life. "This is the body that carried me through an entire pandemic and countless days grazing through the pantry," he wrote on Instagram alongside a photo of himself in his underwear. "I love this body, but I want to feel better. No more midnight muffins, this is it. I'ma get in the best shape of my life." And, boy, has he been working on it. In October, he shared a montage of his transformation, and let's just say that man is killing it at the gym. Well, when he's not. Relaxing all his muscles. Related gallery. Will Smith's body evolution through the years, see photos of his transformation.